Hi and welcome to Into the Kitchen with me, Chef Cynthia Louise. I am making a dark chocolate frosting. A dairy-free dark chocolate frosting. Look at me. I've got no idea what I'm doing. I have never done this before in my life. I thought I'd just give it a whirl and see what fucking happens. Let's be honest. I'll put the recipe in the, what was that called, Scott? Scott's behind the camera. Hi,
The blog.
The blog. But I've melted some chocolate. That's what I know for sure. Good quality dark chocolate without the milk, yeah, without any dairy in it. You can get that anywhere. I've got some coconut cream. What sort of coconut cream? Well, let me tell you this. You're after a coconut cream with at least one ingredient in it that's coconut. If anything, the only ingredient. This is the thing. It's so crazy, right? Yeah. You're looking for coconut cream and there's like 20 ingredients. It's bullshit. So I find that I scour the supermarket shelves and I find this can of coconut cream and it's got coconut, then it's got this and it's got that, then it's got this and it's got emulsify, then it's got acidifier, Go back to the next part of the aisle and I look down the aisle until I find coconut cream that goes coconut and guar gum. I'm happy with that. One other ingredient. Or coconut and gum. I'm happy with that. Not 20 ingredients. So that's the sort of coconut cream you're after. This has been in the fridge. It's quite thick. And I'm going to place it straight into my food processor. I have no idea if this is going to work. So this is a bit of fun, you know. This is what we do in the kitchen. So, yeah. So my dark chocolate is super dark chocolate. It's around about a 70%. You can get even darker if you want. And I've just melted it and it's cooled down a little, which is awesome. Now, I'm not sure whether I need to add some coconut sugar or not to my frosting. I'm actually just winging this like I would at home with my mates. Got no idea what I'm doing. Scott's like, why would you say that? I really don't. Okay, coconut cream in my food processor.
She always knows what she's doing.
This could be any food processor. No, I really have never made this before. This could be any food processor, a $5 or a $500,000 food processor. It doesn't matter as long as it has a S blade and the bits that go with it. And I'm going to add to this maybe like a little bit at a time, maybe. I'm not sure. I'm going to drizzle my chocolate in here. And I'm going to stop it just to see. Are you frosting? Are you? Oh yeah, look, it's actually working, Scotty. It's working. Okay, I'm after a frosting, right? Yum. Okay, I'm just going to add all the rest in there now because I feel like it's good. This bowl needs to be licked. It cannot be washed. It must be licked. Last me. You must lick the bowl. I am going to add a bit of sugar, a bit of coconut sugar. Totally yummy, huh? I'm going to whiz it again. Is it happening? Is it happening? Oh my God, Scott, it worked. Holy shit. I think it needs more coconut sugar. Hey, I got coconut sugar and blended it in my food processor and got it finer. Sorry, in my blender and got it finer and put it through a sieve. Okay, that's one thing I did. It needs a little bit more.
This frosting is normally made with very fine.
White powdered sugar, shitstorm, cocaine, crack, white sugar.
Yeah.
I'm so stoked right now. It worked. God, how much was it? Hang on a minute. 1 cup of coconut cream, a couple of tablespoons of sugar, and dark chocolate. How much dark chocolate? I'll get back to you on that. And I'm just going to ice my cake. Come in nice and close, babe. Come in nice and close.
Wow.
This is some decadent, dairy-free cake right here, right now. And my cake is also a vegan cake. I know, right? It's good, huh?
Yeah.
It actually worked. Did you try this last week? Try this. Try.
Mm.
It's sweet, huh?
Yeah.
I just want to put more on. Is it possible to put more on? Should we go down the sides?
I think so. Will it hold?
Will it hold? Will it hold? Needs a little bit of a brush down the sides, doesn't it? Okay. I'm going to put this in the fridge. Look, it is really holding, right? I don't need to set it or anything. I could serve it straight away, but I do want to put it in the fridge so it goes a little bit harder, because that chocolate will really pull things together and make things set a lot harder. Okay. Yeah, it worked. Lick that. Don't throw that away. There we go.
That was, yeah?
Yeah, don't wash it. Lick it for sure. It's sweet enough.
Yeah.
If you want a little bit more sugar,
Sweet.
not very sweet, but it could be a bit sweeter.
Yep.
I think for the kids it could be a bit sweeter. But this is a great example of winging it. Oh, what's that glory? Hello. See you next week. See you next time into the kitchen where we experiment. That looks great. I'm stoked with that. Yummy. See ya.